Here are some helpful HomeServe hints and tips for winterizing your home plumbing this year. Make sure any exposed pipes in your basement, under your sinks, or elsewhere are properly insulated. Install leak alarms to alert you to issues, and when you're leaving your home, keep your heat lowered to around 50 degrees. It's also important to ensure that any water running through external plumbing has been shut off and flushed from the system completely. Drain spigots and any exterior hoses during the process. And don't forget to remove outside timers if you have them. These preparations, coupled with an affordable plumbing repair plan, can keep your property and your wallet safe all winter long. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for future HomeServe tips you can use in your own home.